Is your iPhone charger holding you back? Tired of slow charging and frayed cables? We've got the solution. This isn't just another iPhone charger. It's Apple MFE certified, ensuring perfect compatibility and safe, fast charging for your iPhone and iPad. Say goodbye to flimsy cables. This durable PVC cable is bend tested over 25,000 times. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Get a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Plus, enjoy ultra-fast data transfer for syncing photos, music, and more. With a 4.6-star rating and glowing reviews, users rave about its fast charging, durability, and perfect length. One reviewer said, "It's the perfect length to charge my phone by my bed." Upgrade your charging experience now. Head to the product page on Amazon to grab your USI-able lightning cable and say goodbye to charging woes. Don't wait, get yours today and experience the difference.